Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Technobridge. This is ranked as #1 medical coding training institute in Pune. Gives you 100% placement assistance. ICD-10 CM, CPT, HCPCS, it is included, medical terminology, anatomy. These are very important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a plus point. Okay, the duration is for 3 months and the mode of training is online and offline both. You can check the interface, it is very well designed. Okay, if we talk about the curriculum, they have HCPCS coding, CPC training from AAPC, it is aligned with AAPC, and ICD-10 CM, CPT coding. Okay, these are the important topics, but they are not covering AI, which is the advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage. Okay, also they have experienced trainers, comprehensive curriculum they have. Interactive live training is also there, and also they give you weekly assessment. Okay, fees they have not listed here, and here are the reviews by the students. You can check it out by yourself. Okay, if we come down, certificate they have listed here. Also they have listed the placement process. Okay, salaries they have listed here. I like their interface is very good. Admission process also they have listed how to apply. You can check it out by yourself, and FAQs are there. Okay, so that was it. Overall, the course is very good. It is well designed. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would rate it 1. They are aligned with AAPC. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. Yes, they have a good curriculum. It is well designed, but AI part is missing. So I would rate this 0.5. Qualified and experienced instructors. They have trainers who have 10 plus years of experience. So I would give this 1. Practical training and case studies. Okay, this part they haven't listed, so I would give this 0. Certification exam preparation. Yes, they are making you prepared for CPC and AAPC exams, so I would give this 1. Internship and job placement assistance. They have listed, I guess, 5 to 6 times they have listed in their interface about the job placement, so I would give this 1. Access to updated coding books and software. It was not listed, so I would give this 0. Flexible learning options. Yes, the mode of training is both online and offline, so I would give this 1. Student reviews and success rate, it is there. You can check it out. I would give this 1. Course fees was not listed. Duration is there, and payment option is also not there. So I would give this 0.3. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 6.8. And this is a good course. You may consider this. I have listed one of the best institute in the link. You may check it out. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So you may check it out by yourself. I have put the link in the description. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.